Do you have a busted door jamb? Whether it's from wear and tear, a break-in, or maybe like this one, maybe it's water damage, don't worry, I'm going to show you how to fix it like a pro in just a few easy steps. First, we want to mark the section that needs replacing. Now, I definitely would recommend going at least 6 to 7 inches above the section that needs replaced. That way you know you have a solid piece to attach to. Now, one thing you will notice is that I'm going to cut the stop and the jamb at different locations. This is just going to help me make sure that the jamb is lined up properly, and it's just going to make the overall repair look seamless. Now, if you wanted, you could also use a circular saw and cut the jamb at about a 45-degree angle, and that might help it fit just a little bit easier. Now we want to measure where we cut the piece of damaged jamb out. It's best not to use the damaged jamb because, like you said, it is damaged and it's probably not the length you need it to be. Now, as always, it's better to cut a little bit long than it is cut a little bit short. Now test fit your new section of jamb. It should be snug, but not too tight. Now, if you haven't already, go ahead and remove your trim. Now I'm going to go ahead and put a couple shims at the top just to make sure that my new section is flush with the old section. I'm going to nail in my shims, and then I can go ahead and apply glue to the seam. Now I'm going to put some shims at the bottom of the new jamb just so that I can make sure the new jamb is tight against the old jamb. Now I'm going to begin filling in behind the new jamb with shims, ensuring that it stays parallel to the existing jamb. While plumb alignment is a concern, it's not as big a concern as maintaining a parallel placement with the original door jamb. Main reason is I want to make sure the door shuts properly and that the new door jamb lines up with the existing piece. Now we can go ahead and cut our new stopper and secure it to the door jamb. Now with the stopper, you want to make sure it lines up properly on the door. One thing you can do is close the door and then secure it if you need to. That way you know for sure that it's going to line up where it should on the door and the door will close properly. Now the last thing we want to do is fill any nail holes or gaps with wood filler, then come back, sand it smooth. It's also a good idea to sand it smooth right at the joint where the two pieces meet. Then come back and paint the whole jamb and it'll make it look seamless. As always, guys, thanks for watching and we'll catch you on the next one.